another vlog, and I just got a little flower delivery again. Some nice spring flowers. I always like, you know, during springtime to have some colorful flowers in the house, bring nature into the house. And yeah, I always order them online because yeah, you just get a bunch for less money and also really good quality flowers. Sometimes I buy flowers like in a flower shop, and then they just stay nice like for a few days, and they cost quite some money, you know. Flowers is really a luxury item in my opinion. But yeah, I always treat myself to this luxury. I hope you're all doing well, and you know, there's not much going on in my life right now, but you know, I still try to find really nice content for you guys to film, and you know, there's definitely always something that's going on. But definitely also let me know maybe what kind of content you want me to film. Maybe you are interested in some more specific subjects you maybe want me to talk about. Definitely let me know in the comments. And you know, I'm also always happy for some feedback, what you think of the vlogs so far and what can maybe be improved and what you like. That's always nice to hear. So for the outfit of the week, we're going all black. And I'm wearing like this ARKET t-shirt. Is their basic t-shirt they have like every year. It's a really nice quality and really thick. And then I'm wearing those pleated trousers from COS. They're really wide leg. Love that. And then my tabby shoes again. They're really a staple of my wardrobe at the moment. And then I'm wearing a vintage Maison Margiela trench coat. This is still designed by Madame Margiela, so I was really happy when I found this one again on Vestiaire. You know, like I always say, you really have to look out for Vestiaire Collective because they just have all of the treasures. And then I'm wearing this bag, which looks for me a little bit like those little postman bags. That makes sense. And I found it really fitting for the style of the trench coat. And this bag is from AS Glow. So then I'm wearing like little silver hoop earrings, and they are from Tokyo Jewelry. It's like a small business. She has an Etsy store, and all of their jewelry is made from recycled silver. So she's melting down like old silver pieces and makes new jewelry out of it. And honestly, you cannot ask for more, you know. It's environmentally friendly, it's stylish and affordable, and I will link her shop down below. Definitely check her out. So I just came back from grocery shopping, and I thought, why not give you a vegan grocery haul? Because there are still people wondering what vegans actually eat. Well, actually totally normal stuff, but I will show you what we will get like on a weekly basis. First, of course, potatoes. Really important for like baked potatoes, for French fries, stuffed potatoes. So you can make so much of potatoes, really good. Then for work, we always have some snacks. So I got these like cereal bars, they're always really good. There was with protein, and then some nuts. Also, we always get like a cucumber, tomatoes, something like this. So I make like a whole like, kind of platter of things that we can snack on during work time. And then, what else do we have? Ginger, really important for the sunshine drink that I showed you in my last vlog, and also just in tea or just some water. Ginger has so many benefits, so that's always on our list. Then vitamins, B12 and multivitamins. We'll also get some probiotics, I guess, in the future, but I'm still kind of doing my research. What are the best ones? Matcha. Matcha, really, really important. The best coffee alternative, in my opinion. And also matcha, I don't know, just has a lot of other benefits, but also gives you like this kind of slow energy high, so not like coffee that is like really rapid and then it falls down and you crash down during the day. Matcha doesn't really do that, so it gives you lots of energy but like more gentle. Then going on for also the potatoes, I got like some soy yogurt. Normally I would get like the Skyr yogurt, it's more like a thicker kind of yogurt, but this one does it as well. So I make them baked potatoes, let them go like really, really crispy on the outside, and then I will smash them up in the middle and then put the yogurt inside, and I will mix this with like some garlic powder or some other kind of herbs. Maybe some other things for toppings, like vegan chicken, stuff like this. So yeah, vegan yogurt, really, really important. Then salads. You always get like this kind of like mixed salad, really like soft leaves. I think you can do a lot of variations with that. We make like normal salad, of course, and then I always mix it up a little bit with balsamico vinegar and some strawberries, and then some vegan chicken, some nuts. Yeah, just to make it a little bit more a fancy salad, not such a boring salad. Then also, what is always in our shopping cart is kale. We make then kale chips from them, or also put them in the salad. Kale is just, I love kale. Kale is amazing. And then, going on, we have always tortillas. So we have those like little tortillas. These are like mice tortillas, and also the big ones. These ones are really good to do like this kind of TikTok tortilla wrap that you can put in the pan and that they fold up, and then you put in every quarter something else. So really, really delicious. And then the little ones are really good to just make normal tacos, and we fill them with mushrooms that we always get. And when you bake mushrooms, they almost get like a meaty texture. That's a really, really good replacement for meat. Then what else? Yeah, tofu. So like this is like one of the most basic things you can get as a vegan, but it's so versatile. We make scrambled tofu for breakfast or with avocado toast. Then we also use it for curry. That's why we actually bought it to make like curry, vegan curry, and then with naan bread and rice, for example. Then I got chickpeas. Chickpeas also, they're so full of protein, healthy as hell, and you can make a lot of things with chickpeas. I always do now fritas. These are like chickpeas and spinach, and then you bake them in a pan. Just let me know in the comments down below if you want any kind of recipes for the dishes I mentioned, you know, no problem. Then this is the best chicken alternative. So this is Hure, I don't know how to pronounce, but that's really, it has the texture of chicken, and you just have to put a little bit of pepper, salt, and you're fine. And you can put them in anything, salad, wraps, understuffed potatoes. So we always have a bunch of these in the fridge. Then I got some coconut cream because I want to make vegan caramel and use that for caramel macchiatos. So I try to replicate every Starbucks drink that I really like, to first of all make them vegan, and also just to not spend that much money on Starbucks, to be honest, because I'm guilty of that, to order quite some Starbucks. Then we have oat milk. We recently changed from soy milk to oat milk because it's just better for the environment, and we also yeah, you saw a difference in like how our skin is behaving. For example, we got quite some struggles with breakouts because we drank lots of soya milk. That can happen sometimes with soy. You know, some people, they can manage to drink it on a daily basis, but unfortunately for us, we really saw a difference in our skin, so we changed to oat milk. Of course, almond milk is tastier, but worse for the environment, so you always choose the better option, right? And then the last product is oatmeal. I mean, oatmeal is really, that's just like the number one thing we eat every day for breakfast. And yeah, it's just the best thing you can eat for breakfast, in my opinion. It's a slow energy releaser. It really fills you up, and you don't get hungry that easily anymore. So yeah, these are all the groceries we got, and yeah, I told you a little bit about what we are going to do with them. And yeah, again, let me know if you want some recipes. I will gladly share them with you, and yeah, just let me know. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna enjoy now my latte macchiato in this nice weather. And I'll see you in the next one.